How to create a KDP book cover with ChatGPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to create a professional KDP book cover using ChatGPT and AI tools. No design experience needed. Whether you are self-publishing your first book or looking to refresh your current cover, this guide will help you to save time and money and frustration. Now, a quick note, your book cover is the first impression readers get. And in a competitive marketplace like Amazon KDP, a great cover can make or break yourself. As we have some example over here, they have a lot of great covers and also great sales. So let's get started and learn how you can create these kind of covers for your book. Now, why use ChatGPT and AI for book covers? Now, traditional book cover design can expensive and time consuming and often requires pro level design skill. Hiring a designer might cost you anywhere from $100 to $500 or more. But thanks to ChatGPT and AI tools like Canva or Stocking AI, creating stunning and genre-specific cover is now fast and affordable and accessible to anyone. Now, let's get started. Before we jump into design, let's plan your book cover. First of all, ask yourself, what is your genre? What is your target reader? What's the theme or mood of your book? Is it romantic fantasy or it is gritty thriller? A motivational speaker help book. So you have to decide that. Take a few minutes to write down what you imagine your cover should look like. For example, you can give a glowing sword in a misty forest for fantasy adventure. This clarity will help when we create our AI prompt. Now, let's move to the second part, which is setting up for KDP requirements. Let's make sure your cover fits KDP print requirement. Now, go to KDP cover calculator. Just simply type KDP cover calculator and hit enter. Click on the first link, which is this one. Just simply click on it. Now over here, you have to enter your book information. Now you have to select the type, binding type, interior type, paper type, reading direction and measurement units, interior trim size and page count. And after that, calculate. Click on this calculate dimension. After calculating, you have to get this download template button. Just simply click on it. As you can see here, we have successfully calculated our dimensions. So in order to download this template, just simply click on this download button over here and it will download your template. Just simply give the path and then click on the save. Now, stick to these specs is essential, otherwise your printed book might get rejected or come out looking off. So you have to make sure that you have selected a good dimension and perfect dimension for your book. Now, let's use ChatGPT to generate a book cover concept. Now, you can start by giving it all detailed prompt. Here is an example. As you can see here, I have created a simple prompt to a ChatGPT. Now, I will upload this prompt and it will create me an image so I can use into my cover design. So what you have to do in order to do that, first create a detailed prompt like this and give all the information related to your story and what is your book about. You can just simply enter it and it will create the image for that. So just simply click on this hit enter button. It will take few seconds to create an image. So as you can see here, we have got our image, but we have this text which is Night Whisper, a thriller. Now you can edit image this as well. For example, remove the text and make this image a cover more scary. So as you can see here, you can add it on again this image, but you can visualize ideas. You can you can give a style suggestion as well. Even you can generate these kind of images if you are using tool like DALL and all. You can refine the description until it matches your vision perfectly. You can do that. Now, after generating your image, what you have to do is head over to Canva Now over here, we will wait to create our image. So I'm using free version, so that's why it will take a little time to create. So what you have to do, head over to Canva to create your cover. Now click on this create button, and you can search for cover as well, or you can get template as well. Now I will search cover, or you can go with custom size. Click on the customs. Now, if you want to change the units from here, right now my unit in inches. So what I'm going to do, I will do which 9 by 9, 6 by 9 as I created. So this is the width and this is a height. Full cover, front cover, safe area, bleed margin. So full cover is 12.13. So what I will do, I will just simply copy this and paste it over here. And let's see how it goes. Click on the create a design. So it will create that canvas into this dimension which we have calculated for our cover book. Now we are in the editor of Canva. So let's back to our image. So we have successfully created this image. We have removed our text. So if you're satisfied with this result, you can just simply download it. If you are not, what you can do is just simply click on the image, and then from here you can describe what you want to add and remove or replace, or you can select the specific area as well. I'm satisfied with this result. So what I'm going to do, I will go into my Canva, and in the left side we have upload over here. So I will upload this image into my Canva. So just simply drag this into my Canva, and what I'm going to do, and I will upload this dimension as well. Let's first unzip this. As you can see here, we have paperback as well. So this is our dimension. Just simply drag this paper into your Canva and upload into your Canva. Now you have to drag this KDP template as a background. You have to set this as a background layer and then resize it like this. And now you have to put this image into your Canva design. So wait for a few seconds. Okay, just give me a second. So this is okay. Add this, and you have to just simply reposition this text or background image. So here we go. We have successfully set it or book cover over here. Now over here you can insert your book title, subtitle, and author name as well. So what I will going to do is just simply copy this title. So in order to create title in the Canva, in the left side there is an option of text. Just drag that text into Canva, a Canva's editor. Now type whatever you want. So in our ChatGPT, which we have given a text which is night whisper, night okay. The color is black, so I will make this white. The whisper. So let's check is our spelling is right or not. Whispers. Now in the top we have some pop-up over here. So what you can do is just simply change the title from or change the font from here. So just select the text and click on this canvas sand. From here you can search whatever font you want, or you can use this text template as well. Now you can search monster from here or scary. That kind of templates will appear in front of you. So for this example, I will just, as you can see here, this is a monster template. So what I'm going to do is just simply drag into my page and generate. Okay, I'm not able to see that. What was the text? Night whisper. Night whisper. Select that text and change the color of that text. Resize that text. As you can see here, and make this font more bigger. As you can see here, you can make this kind of text. Okay, this looks good. Now you can add the author name and the subtitle as well. And choose font and color that matches your genre. So it was the basic idea. So if you want to create for this paper back cover, so what you have to do is go back into ChatGPT and create back cover image for this paper cover with all text. Just hit the enter button and it will generate that image, and after generating you have to just simply decide. After creating image this, you have to download. If you are not satisfied, you can change it as well. Now after the downloaded, what you have to do is upload into Canva and just drag into this page and reposition that background text, oh sorry, a background image. So if you have access of stock king.ai, you can use that too. They offer great covers, to be honest. As you can see here, they have great template as well, so you can come and search or you can create from here as well. So after doing that, you have to review and refine your cover. So now you review your design carefully. Is the title easy to read? Even at the thumbnail size? Are all elements within the safe zone from your template? Does it fit your genre visually? So you have to just simply check out these 3 points. Then tweak spacing, color, and alignment. You want the final result to look professional and eye-catching. You have to just simply experiment with your element into Canva. So I'm not going into that because I'm not a good designer. So you have to just simply play with this element. Canva has great element. You can just simply come here and search whatever uh, element graphics you want, and you can just drag into your cover page. Now, and after doing that, what you have to do is just simply export and download for KDP. Once you are happy with the design, export your cover as a high resolution PDF print or PNG, depending on what KDP recommend. Make sure to double check the file size and specs. Use the correct color setting like CMK for the print is ideal, and you are ready to upload your cover on KDP. And just simply click on the share to download this. You can either download into PNG or just download into PDF standard. So what I will do is just simply download into PDF standard. If you want to save the download setting, you can just simply click on this. Now click on the download and it will get download. Then what you have to do is just simply upload into your give upload into KDP. So that's it. You have just created KDP ready book cover now using ChatGPT and without needing any design experience. If this video helped you, give it a thumb and subscribe for more publishing tips, and let me know in the comment section what genre you are publishing in. And thanks for watching. If you have any question related to this video, just simply comment it down. I will try to give you the answer. Thanks for watching.